Welcome to Bad Food Blog. You know what we've got here? Firecracker chicken with, you're going to love this, a little pasta dish, mushroom pasta dish with the leftover mushroom soup from yesterday. Going to make a little like creamy, cheesy sauce with that. So these are going to go in the oven. They're really hot and spicy. I don't know, my assistant chose them. They take 27 minutes to cook. Used by date. We bought them this morning in a local supermarket. And what do we got here? Before cooking, preheat oven to 220, remove all packaging. I've got this to place all four of them on. So let's get the oven on 220. That's very hot for the oven. And let's smell what they look like. Let's open them up and see what we've got going on here. Ooh, very spicy. Nice. Good flavor to them. Extremely spicy smelling. I think that one's natural position is up the other way. Yeah, look at that. Crispy side up, right? What is this? Look. Can you see this? I got like one. I peeled back like you said and it didn't work, sir. Plastic packaging never, ever, 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 ever works for me. Oh, this is a sad piece of chicken. Look at that. Right, that's okay, that bit there. And then this super large bit's going to go across there. I kind of have to do some rotation jiggery pokery to get them all in here. There we go. There we go. Don't want them touching because they'll go soggy. Just a little, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Ah, and when the oven's hot enough, they'll go in. Let's go make the sauce. So the big question is, what are we going to do for the sauce? Now, naturally, we're going to have to use this, which is the leftover mushroom soup. And a little bit of milk. And some water, and I think I'm going to cook the pasta in with it, so get the pasta nice and creamy. So I've turned that up to 3 on there. Let's get that inside. Gonna use this to splooge everything in. There we go. Some milk. Some pepper. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. And I think there's going to be enough oil from the soup. I don't really think I need to really add any more, but I'm going to need to add about, I've got a pint glass here, about half a pint of water, because I'm going to put the pasta straight in this to try and keep this to one dish. There was a long pause there where I've edited out where I was looking for the right pasta. I'm going to be using this organic stuff. And roughly 200-ish grams in there, maybe 300. I'm going for about 200 because this is a compliment. So now I could cook it separately, but I've gone for a little more pasta than I thought. So I'm going to put a tiny bit more water in, not too much. Quite a bit more water. People can have seconds then if they want. Basically makes it almost the whole pint once you add the milk in. What I've done is I've grated a little bit of this hard cheese. You see this? And I'm not putting enough in to really make it a cheese sauce. It's just to add a bit of flavouring. There we go. And I'm going to cook all that down, boil it down, put a lid on it and allow it to simmer. And we'll see what it's like when I'm done. The chicken is going in. The temperature was reached. Whoa, that's spicy and hot. Okay, so the chicken's ready and I've taken it out of the oven. It looks amazing. Try and pick it up without burning myself. What I am going to have to do though is slice it up, because I want to slice it up so I can put it on top of the pasta, which I think is ready now as well. Alexa, stop timer. There we go. Ooh, that's ready, definitely. So, I'm going to need to serve that up as well. Ooh, yummy. Look. Well, yeah, maybe overcooking it a little on the bottom there. So I'm popping that in the bowls first. Not too much of it, because this really isn't supposed to be a large pasta dish. It's supposed to be a pasta chicken dish. Over here you can see what I'm doing. Chopping it up, placing the chicken on top, and there we go. That's one ready. I will now go and do the same for the others. Right, it's ready. It's time for me to eat. First of all, let's try the chicken with a little bit of the pasta. Oh, it's already in the pasta sauce. Oh, look at that, isn't that amazing? That chicken's really spicy and the pasta sauce is really creamy and a little bit cheesy. Well, that's amazing. I'm off to eat it. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.